you've now made a decision to spend the rest of your life with me. I will be spending the rest of my life ensuring you made the best decision.
You are my biggest blessing, and you are my favorite blessing. From the moment I met you, I knew I wanted to keep knowing you. You felt like someone who could be my best friend, and then you became my best friend, and now you are my best friend for life.
Very early when we were just getting to know one another, you described that your ideal relationship would be an extremely loving one where we would grow old together and then you died peacefully in my arms. I liked you so much at that time that even hearing that, I wasn't turned off.
You make me better and the best version of myself. Each day from now on, I look forward to sharing the first good mornings, the first I love yous, the last I love you mores, the last good nights together.
I want you to know that you'll never be alone. You'll always have a companion to watch terrible dating shows with, or cook with, or strategize and discuss how we ought to clean the house, and then wait until we have company to really clean it.
I promise to remind you every day how loved you are, like you remind me. I've never in my life heard the word beautiful so often. And I promise it will never get old, even when we get old.
When you accept this ring, I hope you know that I'll always love you no matter what, and no matter how much you think you may love me, I'll always love you just a little bit more than that.
I'm so thankful beyond words we found each other, and I promise I will always put us first. I will forever have your back, and you will forever have my love, and I love you so much more.
With this ring,
I marry you.
I marry you.
As a token and pledge.
Of
my everlasting love.
Of my everlasting love.
Brett and Rohini, it is a great joy and a privilege of mine as a minister of the gospel through the great state of Texas to officially pronounce you as husband and wife. Brett, the moment you have been waiting for, Rohini, probably you too. You may kiss your bride.
Brett meets the wonderful Ro, and our family has been so blessed to meet you, Ro, and your wonderful mom, Jaya. Jaya has been so welcoming and embracing of me, Marie, and my family, and my parents. It's just been amazing. She's just been this amazing light that came out of nowhere with you. So Jaya, just wonderful meeting you. Fantastic.
She is humble, industrious, kind, so kind, genuine, sympathetic, lovable. The best kind of person, truly excels in all things creative, without exception. Her best match is someone who is patient, adaptable, motivated, amiable, determined. May your path be blessed and brightly lit. I love you, Ro.
I don't need to give you any advice because you just be you and you've done everything right. And I know both of you and Brett are going to do everything right in the future, and don't need to overthink it, just do what you've always been doing. And I'm just really, really happy for you guys.